How to delete all of your Instagram DMs and messages at once. If you go into your Instagram direct messages and try to delete all of your messages at once, you probably only have the option of deleting them by swiping left on the message, clicking more, and deleting each message one by one. If you have a lot of messages that you want to delete and it's going to be super time consuming, there is a way to delete all of them at once. This requires you to have a professional creator account for Instagram. If you don't already have a creator account, you can do this by going back to your main screen and going to your profile page. From there, select the menu in the top right-hand corner of your screen, and then select Settings. From your Settings options, click the Account tab. So we currently have a professional account, but it's a business account. If we wanted to switch to a creator account, we would just select Switch to Creator Account. Alternatively, if you have a personal account, you can also go into your account settings and then select Switch to Professional Account. From the options of what type of professional account you want to create, you would select Creator, and then go through the steps to set up your creator account. Once you have your creator account set up, you may just want to close the app and reopen it to make sure that all the settings have been refreshed. And once you do that, you can go back to your direct messages by selecting the send icon in the top right-hand corner of your home screen. Our direct message page looks very similar as it did before, but the one difference is we have a new icon in the top right-hand corner of the screen, which is a list icon. If we select it, you have the option of selecting multiple messages and applying different actions to these messages. So if we were to select all the messages that we have in our direct messages, we have an option for more, which if we select it, allows you to mark it as unread, flag it, or mute the conversation. And finally, we can click delete and delete again to delete all of our messages at once. And that's how to delete all of your Instagram DMs and messages at once. If this video helped you, let us know by liking it or commenting below. And don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.